Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to go ahead and talk about how to post an announcement on your Google Classroom stream. Let's jump into it. Okay, so like I said, the whole point of this one is to go ahead and talk about how to just post an announcement. Now, keep in mind, this is very straightforward and very simple. So yeah, this won't take too long to cover. Let's go ahead and jump in. So if you are on your Google Classroom and you're in your stream, you should see the section right here that says share something with your class. This is where you can post announcements or really any information that you want. All right. So go ahead and click that to get it started. And actually, let me back up. Let me just point out that once you really get this Google Classroom thing going, you can reuse past posts from different classrooms, right? So if you look at this little icon right there, that's where you would reuse a post. Now, keep in mind, pretty much all I've used this account for are examples. But if you clicked on an example, you would then go into that classroom and then find a post. But like I said, these are all empty because I've just used them as examples. All right. But yes, you can reuse posts. Now, if you get into the actual announcement, very straightforward how this is set up. All right. So at the top, the first thing you're going to do is decide which classes are going to see this announcement. All right. So I can click here and I have these two classes available. So I'll select both of those. All right. The next thing is you can then decide what students see the announcement. Now, I don't use this too often, but I'm sure there could be a good use for it. All right. So you would click here. Now, keep in mind, this is all just an example classroom, so I don't have any students, right? But you can pick these students there. Okay. Next thing is this is where you can actually type anything you want to share with your class. Pretty straightforward. All right. And the very last thing before you post your announcement, and I'll just say hi, so I have something to post, is you can add anything to this announcement. All right. As far as anything in your Google Drive, on your hard drive, on your computer, a link, or a YouTube video. Yeah, just click right there and you will have all of those options. And the final thing is once you have created your announcement, just go over here and you do have the option. You can just post it on the spot. Or if you click this arrow, and it's not giving me the option right now, but typically you'll have that, you can post it. You can schedule when you want to post it, or you can save it as a draft to post it later. All right. But I'm going to go ahead and post it. And there it is. It is now on my Google Classroom stream for both me and, of course, my students to see. So that is how you post an announcement on the Google Classroom stream.